Okay, so picture this. You're cruising through the Norwegian fjords, right? Serene waters, these towering cliffs all around you. And then, bam, a flash of red and yellow just zips past.
It's not just any speedboat, though.
No way.
This is a 220-foot catamaran, sleek, I mean really like a panther. And it's got the Ferrari logo practically gleaming on its hull.
We're diving into the world of Ferrari Concept catamarans today.
This is where the road meets the waves, you know.
Yeah, in the most exhilarating way I think you could imagine.
What gets me is the audacity of it. Ferrari, a name that just screams roaring engines in Formula One, right?
Totally.
And they decided to just, like, conquer a whole different race course. And they're not messing around.
No, they went all in.
Completely. With a design that's as bold as it is beautiful, I think.
You know how Ferrari has those, like, iconic design elements? The ones you see on a 488 or a Portofino?
Yeah.
They didn't hold back. They brought all of that to the water.
It's wild.
Gleaming white metallic hull. Those racing stripes, red and yellow. And just in case you missed it, you know that Ferrari logo, they put 007 on the side.
It's definitely making an entrance, that's for sure.
Talk about making a statement.
But the real story, it's beneath the surface. Literally.
Oh, I like that.
This catamaran isn't just about looks. It's pushing the boundaries of, like, what's possible with marine engineering.
And they're serious. You hear what's powering this thing. And you know they mean business.
Oh, yeah.
We're not talking about some, souped-up outboard motor here. They took the heart of their supercars, the Ferrari V12 engine, and brought it to the water.
And not just any V12, by the way. This is descended from the engine that powered Ferrari to its first Formula One victory.
No way. What year was that?
Way back 1947.
Wow.
They've had some time to perfect this thing.
All right.
They've miniaturized the tech, obviously, for the marine setting. But that soul, that raw power, it's unmistakable.
Okay, so get this. We're talking a V12 that cranks out up to 820 horsepower at 9,500 RPM.
Hold on to your hats. To put that in perspective, imagine the G-forces you feel on a racetrack.
Intense.
Now you've got an ocean view.
Starting to see why they went with the whole W7 thing.
Right. Bold move. But what gets me is how they harness that power. In a catamaran, of all things.
You wouldn't think.
You'd think aerodynamics are for planes. But when you're talking about a vessel this fast, over 100 miles per hour, the shape of the hull, it's everything.
At those speeds.
Keeps you from taking flight.
They've gotten these things up to 88 knots in testing. 88.
Incredible.
I'd need a new definition of seasick, that's for sure.
Right.
But seriously, the speed. It's classic Ferrari. Pushing boundaries.
Absolutely.
They've taken their expertise, aerodynamics, engine tech, that iconic design, and applied it to something totally different.
A totally different challenge.
And they nailed it. The result is breathtaking. It really is. So we've talked about how this thing's a beast, right? Like, it's fast. But you know what gets me?
What's that?
It's not just about strapping a Ferrari engine to a hull. They've thought about the entire experience.
Oh, absolutely. And that's what's really interesting. Is like, how do you translate that feeling of, a Ferrari GT
Exactly.
onto the water?
Yeah.
Think about this. You step onto the deck,
Right.
Instead of like a cramped cabin.
Yeah.
Imagine this space that flows. It's open, echoing that luxurious design you see in their cars.
Wow.
Hand-stitched leather. You've got the polished wood, all the cutting-edge tech integrated everywhere.
So I'm cruising through the fjords, champagne in hand, wind in my hair.
Why not?
Seriously, though, this is different. This isn't your typical luxury yacht.
No, not at all.
Okay.
This is about a certain kind of owner, someone who, they demand the best.
They want it all.
Luxury performance. They want that Ferrari experience, but on the open water.
It's like they're saying, the row's not enough. Own the waves.
Right. And I think it's part of a bigger trend. Luxury brands, they're not just staying in their lane anymore.
Oh, interesting.
We've seen other automakers, fashion houses, even watchmakers getting into it. Yachts, private jets, you name it.
So you're saying it's not just about the product, it's a whole lifestyle they're selling.
Exactly. A complete experience. And for some people, owning a Ferrari that can outrun almost any boat out there,
Yeah, that's a statement.
it was more than a statement. It's a power move. It's like they're changing the game entirely. And that's what's exciting.
Oh, no, right.
Ferrari's making us rethink what's possible, not just engineering, but what a brand can be.
It makes you think, what's next? Where do they go from here? It's kind of funny when you think about it. We started talking about a Ferrari, but on the water.
Right.
And now it's like we're talking about what luxury even means.
I think it's natural, don't you?
Yeah.
True luxury has never really been about just like owning something expensive.
Yeah, it's more than that.
It's the whole thing.
The experience.
Access, knowing you're on the cutting edge. It's a feeling.
And that's what's so cool about this Ferrari catamaran to me. It's a symbol, in a way.
Totally.
What happens when a brand that's known for pushing limits
land.
exactly decides to test the waters, right? Literally.
And they didn't just test the waters. It's like they did a cannonball.
A cannonball.
The ripples are being felt everywhere. I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
If Ferrari can take their DNA,
High performance.
all of that, and blend it seamlessly with maritime design.
What's next?
Right.
Ferrari lunar rovers. Are we talking underwater villas? What about flying cars that make the Jetsons jealous?
I mean, who knows? That's the best part. The possibilities are endless. As big as Ferraris, as big as our imaginations.
That's what's so exciting. This one thing, this catamaran, it makes you ask, what else is possible?
Exactly. What other dreams are out there just waiting for someone to put them together in a new way?
So next time you see that Ferrari logo, right? Don't just picture the open road. Picture, I don't know, picture the ocean floor. Picture space, even, because who knows?
They might be headed there next.
Maybe that's where we're all headed. Thanks for taking this deep dive with us, everybody. Until next time, keep exploring, keep asking those questions, and keep dreaming big.